Hey, I'm Sam. Welcome to Light Eye, where we empower light ideas. The EF COVE family from LF Illumination is a tool for the lighting designers. It allows you to create layers of light with a single extrusion, and it integrates into architecture. That's right, you can have it all. Don't believe me? Let's break down the details. The most gentle form of illumination comes from ambient indirect solutions. Bouncing light off a surface and into a space from a wall requires less coordination than fighting for a space in a ceiling. Whether you have a straight or curved wall, EF COVE integrates and can even refine the finished look with an extrusion that incorporates 3 layers of light: asymmetric, direct, and indirect. The mounting rail was designed to allow the extrusion to snap onto the wall and be secured with set screws. With an option to have a standalone straight edge, you can also finish the bottom edge with drywall to seamlessly integrate it into the ceiling or the wall. The asymmetric optic snaps into place once the extrusion is mounted on the wall. It's provided with a clear protective lens or an optional diffuse lens. Additionally, there's a backlight shield that gives you the opportunity to adjust the distribution to accommodate field conditions or simply control how much backlight reflects off the vertical surface. This optic module allows the EF COVE to scale from small environments to large public spaces with a variety of outputs along with 0 to 10 volt dimming and universal voltage. The spot module also scales to meet the needs of your application. Available in 120 volts with forward phase dimming, the MR16 is in the 407 and is accompanied by the integrated LED solutions in the 408 and the 411 spot modules that can deliver up to 3,400 lumens and plug in anywhere along the length of the extrusion. The nature of the connectors allows this system to be modular and move the spot modules that are held in place with magnetic feet. The 408 is your go-to for performance. It has an industrial look with a head that mounts to the same plate as the power supply and comes in multiple different sizes that include multiple different beam angles, along with outputs that go all the way up to 3,400 delivered lumens. The 411 is built with a more architectural look and has 2 different sizes, equipped with 5 outputs that go up to 2,500 delivered lumens. It's available with 6 different beam angles. Do you want both accent light and uplight? No problem. The extrusion can run as long as you want. Feeding it on one or both ends with line voltage, you can interchange between the asymmetric module and the spot module. If you still want an indirect glow where the spot module is, well, you can add in the additional uplight component, a small diffuse linear source that's also secured with magnetic feet. When you need to have both indirect light and accent light located in a single place, the EF COVE has you covered. If you just need to hide performance spot modules and want to take advantage of the line voltage capabilities, the simple rail is available as an L-shaped magnetic plate that you can conceal and mount almost anywhere, like on top of a beam or inside an existing light pocket or maybe an old cove. Last up, let's talk corners and curves. The full family of extrusions, whether it's a straight edge or a mud-in solution, can follow the perimeter of any room to create a complete cove or an extension of a soffit. Mitered corner pieces are manufactured at the factory and connected to the straight connections on site with the connector plate and the guiding pins. When it comes to curves, this is only available in the knife edge extrusion. Built as a series of short, straight sections, the fascia of the knife edge is actually curved and welded to the front, giving it that seamless and finished look. You never have to fight for space again. It's versatility, and it's built into one system. It's a simple look with a lot of options. If you want to learn more, check out that web link right there. If you just like lighting and you want to learn more in general, do me a favor. Click that button, subscribe to Light Eye, and I'll send you my next light idea. See ya!